Welcome to Play on AI. In this video, we are going to build AskMyDocs, a complete RAG application that lets you search and chat with your own documents. Let's walk through the workflow step by step. This is the final workflow uh, for this application. Here is two parts. One part is for read document from our Google Drive uploaded text file, and second part store to our vector database, Qdrant vector database. And second part is that chat box where we search for result, query on open chatbot and ask question, and this questions in search the result from vector storage and show final output on our that screen. Final workflow work as so the content database and delete the old data and run for read our document, text document from our drive. Here is document content and data is stored on our Qdrant database. Now we open that and query ask something from our documentation like general contact. What is general contact? Yes, is processing. Yes, we got response from general contact as per our own doc file. Now we delete again the database and ask again. Hope it will not return anything because we delete our storage. So we must be storage. We run it again and data vector data will be saved again, and we open chat and ask same question. It answering. Now we ask another question. What is dress code? Yes, it shows the response of dress code in our document. Let's start our workflow at the beginning. Create a new workflow and rename it as AskMyDoc. Add node, click manual trigger and add node to Google Drive download file. Set the location of file location, and you must be connect with Google Drive credential. I already connected. Here is the file list. I search these are my text file. and see its download. Yes, we see the content. Now we'll add coordinate vector database activity. Use coordinate node. Coordinate vector store. First, we need to connect with coordinate account. I already connected, but I will show this connect how you connect. Type on your browser cloud.current.ie and continue with Google or GitHub account. I continue with Google Gmail account and account created. Create P cluster. Cluster created. Creating API key. There is a API key. It need to save because we cannot find it anywhere again. And also endpoint URL. Here we will set API key and current URL and save. That's a connect coordinate vector database server. Now we will set coordinate collection by ID. We type and set name anything and test the step. Will get output. Now we will add embedded OpenAI chat model and ADA model. Then we will add data loader default and data loader node. Add data loader default data loader. And binary output format and the data format text. Then we will add recursive character text splitter node. Text splitter recursive text, and we will set the chunk size 5000 and overlap 550 or any size as per your document. Now our workflow is ready to store text data to current vector store database, and let's run and executing this workflow. Yes, it's successfully executed, and we'll check on database store data storage. Now we will create our second part, that will be chat box. We'll create a node OpenAI chat trigger and add node answer question and answer chain. Add retrieve the vector store on add embedded OpenAI with head model, data model, data 002. Now we will add node question and answer chain node and connect with that. Also add chat model, add node vector store retriever retriever and point connected connect. Now we will add node OpenAI chat model. We will set omni and our workflow is almost ready for that. Click on open chat, will be open chat window and we asked question from our document. Type the question from the documented text document. What is general conduct? Enter that box searching. Yes, get the message from. If we delete the current database and will not get response, not answer our question. Don't know. So we will ask another question. So we need to run our workflow again for restore data to our Qdrant database, and let's check database. Yes, data inserted. Now we ask question again, general conduct. It's return answer. Now we will ask another question. What's about dress code? Company dress code. What is dress code? Return the output.